Yeah, I'm fucking Schmack'd, don't know where I'm at. All I know is that I'm a pound of 30 rack till I'm motherfucking blacked. Yeah, that's a fact, got the frat house packed while I'm grabbing on some ass. And you know I'm loving messy, they got the best weed and all the nosebleeds cause they love to party. Then out to see you, they got the cold brews. So many babes too, man you gotta boo-blues. East Carolina, the best vagina. You'll make your mind up, cause they're so fine, bruh. Ohio's good times, you'll end up with dimes. So wide and so prime, it should be a damn crime. Oh, UCSB is worth the STD. Party so recklessly, they get the best of me. Down south to Chapman, that's where it's happening. You better strap in, cause these ladies bad tens. Yeah, it's the best 4 years of your life. That's right, you gotta live it up to live it right. Yeah, I'm fucking Schmack'd, party till I'm blacked. Fucking undergrad, I ain't never gonna pass. I ain't never going back. No, I ain't never going back. Yeah, I'm fucking Schmack'd, party till I'm blacked. Fucking undergrad, I ain't never gonna pass. I ain't never going back. No, I ain't never going back. Oh yeah, I'm fucking Schmack'd, party till I'm blacked. Fucking undergrad, I ain't never gonna pass. I ain't never going back. No, I ain't never going back. Oh yeah. Tulane is insane, they party all day. Go there to get laid, especially on holidays. Over to Penn State, they've always been great. On campus shit face, Greek life is top rate. Cake stands and butt chugs, pasties I'm in love. Hazing and new drugs, spraying a shotgun. And chasing freshmen, you gotta send it. These girls 11s, I think I'm in heaven. FSU, MSU, ASU, that's the crew, that's just the all-star team. Top 10 in everything, they're full of savages, a bunch of rabid kids. The kegs they're tapping in, that's just the half of it. Daddy's little angels, out there repping anal. Dancing up on tables, chugging on black labels. Guys are doing shotguns, puking at their demons. This shit is party season, already had a threesome. Yeah, it's the best 4 years of your life. That's right, you gotta live it up to live it right. Yeah, I'm fucking Schmack'd, party till I'm blacked. Fucking undergrad, I ain't never gonna pass. I ain't never going back. No, I ain't never going back.